Next, we want to create and reduce our model. So first of all, we go into data, data analysis. Data is here, data analysis. We go for regression. Here it is. Now we do have the input area, input for Y area, which is what we want to examine. This is sales, so we simply put sales in here. And input for X area is just everything else. We got labels in the first row. We don't want to worry about residual plot right now, so we just click OK. And here we have our model. First of all, we look at our adjusted R. There's a penalty now induced because we have a lot of parameters, so we're using adjusted R and not R squared, but adjusted R squared. We see that 99% of ice cream sales can be explained. We go for significance F because we see that the model is definitely a model. This number here is definitely less than 0.05. So now we do go down and check our parameters. These are our parameters, and here are the p-values. We're looking for p-values bigger than 0.05, and we want to remove them. We see that the intercept is 0.81, but don't worry about the intercept because everything is away from the intercept. We have 0.2 here and we have 0.07 here. So employees does not seem to have any influence on our model. Basically, we go back to our data copy, find the employees, and simply delete them like this. So we delete that column, and we repeat the process: data analysis, regression. We still have the same input for Y area, but now our X area is reduced. We just mark the X area here and repeat the process. Remember the labels. And here again, we see the adjusted R squared has gone down a little bit, but so has significant F. This is lower than before. Now it's even more significant model. We look again at the p-values. We see 0.08, which means that day off can be tested away because it doesn't mean anything. 0.08 means it's more than 0.5, it's more than 5%, which means that it's a coincidence. It's not significant. So we are simply going to remove day off, same as before. Go in here and delete the column day off. And we're going to do the model now, data analysis. Now I think that no more can be tested away, so we're going to use residual plot and line plot now, and just press OK. We're going to check here, adjusted R squared, 98% explained, which is very nice. Significant F, 1.23 times e to the power of minus 17. Very low, definitely a model here. And we look at the p-values. Except for the intercepts, our p-values are below 0.05. E to the minus 13 and e to the minus 15 is 13 and 15 zeros in front. So fine, we have a model.